raised to power 2x plus 1, then plus 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 150. Then find x. So this problem is what we call an exponential equations. So where we have some side of the equations that is expressed in an index form. So and it is equated to a whole number which is 150. So we are asked to find the values of x. Then solution. So 5 raised to power 2x plus 1, then plus 5 raised to power 2x equal to 150. Now this 5 raised to power 2x plus 1, this can be expressed further as 5 raised to power 2x, then multiply by 5 raised to power 1. Because we know from the laws of indices, then they have the same base. We can pick one, then we add the power. That is why we have 2x plus 1. Then plus 5 raised to power 2x equal to 150. So 5 raised to power 2x multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 means 5 in one place, which is what 5. Then plus 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 150. So now we have 5 raised to power 2x multiplied by 5, then plus 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 150. So this 5 raised to power 2x, this can also be expressed further as 5 raised to power x, then bracket raised to power 2. Because both the 2 and the x, they are power, and power multiply the power. So x multiplied by 2, we can still have what? 2x. Then multiply by 5 plus, we also do the same thing here, which is 5 raised to power x, then bracket raised to power 2 is equal to 150. Yes. So if you look at what is inside the bracket, 5 raised to power x, so we can say let 5 raised to power x to be equal to p. So wherever we come across 5 raised to power x, we replace it to be what? To be p. So this is 5 raised to power x, then we write p, then bracket square, then multiply by 5, then plus, this is 5 raised to power x, which is what? Bracket p raised to power 2 then is equal to 150. So now, this is p square. P raised to power 2 means p square. Multiply by 5. So this is the same thing as what? 5p square. Then plus, this is p square. P raised to power 2 is equal to 150. Equal to 150. So this is 5 raised to power 5p raised to power 2 plus p raised to power 2. We can add them together because the coefficient of p raised to power 2 here is 1. So we can add the two together. So we have 6p raised to power 2 is equal to 150. So now what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of p raised to power 2, which is what? 6. Divide both sides by 6. Then 6 cancels 6. So p raised to power 2 is equal to, then 150 divided by 6. Then 3 here, we have 2. Then 3 here, we have 5, 0. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 25. So that means 150 divided by 6 will give us what? 25. So we write 25. So p raised to power 2 is equal to 25. Then this 25 can be written in an index form as p raised to power 2 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. Now they have the same power, 2, 2. We can cancel them. Then we equate the base, which is p is equal to what? 5. So that means p is equal to 5. But from the equations, we are asked to find the values of x, not p. We are the one that introduced p. So from where we introduce p, that we say 5 raised to power x is equal to p, we can say, recall that 5 raised to power x is equal to p. Then we recall. So now, when the values of p is now given to be what? To be 5, what is our x? So we equate it. So we have 5 raised to power x is equal to, instead of p, and the values of p is what? Is 5. So we write what? 5. So here is expressed in an index form where we have the base and we have the power. So this is ordinary ordinary number, a whole number. So what do? We can express this in an index form. So that we have 5 raised to power x is equal to, this 5 can be written as what? 5 raised to power 1. Now they are having the same base. They are having the same base. So what happened then? We now equate the power. What is the power? So the power is what? X is equal to 1. So that means the values of x in this equation 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 plus 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 150 is what? Is 1.